Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip-Flop Chef. I want to show you our new Everything But the Bagel seasoning. We're going to make a really quick and easy Everything But the Bagel dip, and it's something that you can enjoy with vegetables or even these little pretzel slims that are a really great way to enjoy this. You can put it on sandwiches, paninis. You can get really creative with how you want to use this. It comes together pretty quickly. I'm going to use our Flex Plus Multi-Prep. It's a new appliance from Pampered Chef. You'll be able to check that out, and this will come together in no time. So let's go ahead and get started. As you're joining, let me know where you're watching from, and don't forget to join my recipe community at theflipflopchef.com. So what we're going to start off with first is just a brick of cream cheese, and I've gone ahead and let this get nice and soft. We're going to use the Flex Plus using the hand mixer attachment. I'm going to use the beaters rather than the whisks. We're going to attach these right in to the handle that this goes with here. So this is what this looks like. We're going to add on the handle this way, and then we're going to add the battery. Always add the battery last just for safety purposes. There's a little safety feature right here to actually activate the battery. Press that, and then you can turn your hand mixer on. Since this cream cheese is nice and soft, I just want to get this mixed up a little bit. We're going to add in a few ingredients. Let's see if, I don't know if that's going to prop up well there. Let's see. I'm going to set this down here. I'm not worried about all that in the beaters because we're going to add more to this. We're going to add about a cup of sour cream, and I'm not measuring this. It's about a cup that's left in this container. I know that I stress some people out because I'm not a measuring cook, but if you like to measure things, 8 ounces of cream cheese and 1 cup of sour cream. We're also going to put 3 tablespoons of our Everything But the Bagel seasoning. So 1, 2, 3. And if you want less seasoning, then you could just do 2. I'm also going to add Super Veggie Enrichables. This is something you can add to just about everything that you are making. Adds a little bit more nutrition to the foods that we're already going to eat. We're going to take our hand mixer again, press that safety button on the battery, and mix this together. Once this is well blended, I'll transfer it to a storage container. That's it. I'm going to lift this up just a little bit to get all that off of the beaters. All right. Tap that just a little bit. And then we'll remove the battery, then press this button here to remove the beater attachment, and then you can just remove the handle, and then everything is separated again. So what we'll do, I'm going to transfer this over to the 3-cup leak-proof container. These flavors are much better if you make this the day before you want to serve it, because we'll have time to kind of sit and marinate a little bit. And I love using our scrapers to scrape all of this yummy out of the bowl. All right, so there you have it. This is our Everything But the Bagel Dip. 1 brick of cream cheese, roughly 1 cup of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of Everything But the Bagel seasoning, and 1 tablespoon of Super Veggie. Hope you guys enjoy this. Have a great evening.